Hi guys, my name is Vijay Shankar Sadashivam. In this episode, we are going to talk about a Service Max, the product that is widely used in field managing field service solutions for customers after selling the product. How do they handle the customer request and ensure the service level is kept very high? Service Max is a field service management suite, comprehensive solution. It has got more both. It sits on Salesforce platform as an app exchange product, and it was acquired by GE. Now it is owned by PTC. That ownership and all those things are available in the Google. So let's assume a case is received. Actually, a case is received and a technical help is required by the customer. All right. Suppose my laptop stopped working. I contact 1-800 number of HP and then tell them that my laptop is not working. Immediately, what they will ask? They will ask either for the phone number so that they can find out your install base based on the phone number, or they will ask the serial number of the product which is not working. Right. So suppose you give the serial number from the invoice that you got or from the product that you have purchased, and they identify whether it is under warranty or not under warranty. Uh, Generally, the products that you purchase at the store, retail level, or wherever you buy, it will come with a 1 year or 2 year standard warranty, depending on the product and you can they sold to you, and you can also get a extended warranty purchased separately for extended period of time. If the warranty is there, the HP support will immediately, for HP is just an example that I'm taking actually, not to really quote that. So HP support will immediately ask for what do you call that, whether it will immediately check whether that product is under warranty or extended warranty. If I purchase extended warranty, it will automatically call for raising a technical help. So first, what they will do is first level of support will be done by the telephone itself, where it will be required to contact you, troubleshoot by yourself to identify the problem. For example, I had recently a power, it is not powering on, my laptop was not powering on, and they said you do the trial, troubleshoot the basic error actually. If that is also not working out, then they will assign the ticket to a technician. So the technician assignment can be done in two ways. It's basically in-source or outsource actually, right? Generally, companies outsource this technical help to third parties and train them in their products actually, so that they don't need to maintain a huge manpower when the large quantities of products are sold. And some other companies, like there are different examples. This is HP Field Service Solutions laptop computers that I'm talking about. Others are basically medical devices as well, where they install in hospitals X-ray machines, scanner machines, and different machines are there, which I don't know the medical equipment side. So all these machines can be needs to be serviced, and preventive maintenance has to be done. Make sure that uptime is always 99.99%, so that the patient doesn't get affected. Actually. So there are other industries like rental copier industry, where rental industry is there. Wherever the machine is placed by the sold to the customer and uptime has to be maintained, and this field solution will be coming into the picture. Okay, now the technician is assigned. The assigned technician will be um, sent to the customer place. Basically, scheduling will happen before sending to the customer place. What will happen is scheduling will happen. Dispatching and scheduling will happen. Scheduling and dispatching will happen. Scheduling is basically scheduling the technician to go to the website. Dispatching is, there are different terminology actually. All right. Once a technician visits the customer place, you will call them for an appointment, or you will visit the customer place as per the scheduled appointment. and troubleshoot the problem in the uh, down part or a laptop or whatever it is actually. So he comes up with a solution based on his identification of the error or the problem, right? And then he chooses the parts required for repairing that particular laptop. And the part request is one of the very important concepts in ServiceMax or any field service solutions. There is something called van stock that is carried out by the technicians actually, which means that they carry the stock all the time with them in a van, like Comcast van or Comcast is basically a cable network provider in North America. They carry network equipments and everything actually. Like that, if the laptop case, like they will carry some spare parts with them, which is like based on the problem that are identified that they are going to solve. That they know that this might be the problem that they have. So initial triage will be done, and the parts will be scheduled. The parts will be sent to the uh, uh, technicians. Actually, how this part request works actually. There are different levels of inventories. You have a warehouse, you will have a depot repair. Depot repair is a place where the products are returned and repaired by the and the organization like HP, like it's available in T Nagar, Chennai Service Center. And then you have van stock, it's a sub inventory, right? Or inventory, you can call it however you want to classify that. So, having said that, these are different stocking places. If the, for example, if the number of screws required for the laptop or a motherboard required goes down in the van stock, it will automatically place a request, or manually it can be placed by the technician. Frequently used parts based on the Minimax Planning Act. I'll come to the Minimax Planning later on that. For example, if the product level goes below certain minimum, automatically it will place an order or it raise a demand uh, to to the main system, ordering system, to procure or basically manufacture the products required. Now say that like the technician tries a problem, basically you say that I'm seeing a problem with the power circuit or voltage inverter, whatever the part might be, which is controlling the power supply to the in the laptop, right? And that can be that needs to be fixed. So you'll order a part replacement for that, and you'll take a code, generate a code in ServiceMax, and that code will be submitted and signed. This will be the cost for it to fix the problem. So he'll raise the parts when the parts comes to his inventory, like a service center or the van stock. He'll come again, make a visit, and fix the laptop actually, and get a customer satisfaction. The process of doing this is basically uh, work order closure, work order creation, and work order closure, right? And then you debrief it, what part was changed, what was taken out, what was put in back. There are different concepts in items, basically products that are being sold serialized and non-serialized, tangible and intangible. Serialized means, you got the concept of serialized and lot numbers and everything. Nuts, for example, I mean the nuts and bolts that I'm talking about are comes in lots actually. They don't have serialized, unless otherwise it's a very specialized nut which might be used in possibly some high-end engineering stuff actually. Serialized components are basically you give a serial number to it and you can uniquely identify that. All this group above a batch process actually, batch, which batch? For example, July batch of laptops will come under the release. Suppose why they do this actually, right? They have to do this if there is a problem in a particular serial laptop and all the July shipped products are basically having a regular problem. They can do it for callback, like Toyota does it for cars. They can do it for callback or make sure that they can send us update to the patch or extended warranty or fix it. Generally, they might come up with a program for improving the customer satisfaction. With that, I stop this year. Those who are interested, you can contact me at 96062152264 to talk more about Service Max and Field Service Lightning. Any questions you may have, you can shoot out in the WhatsApp group, which will form. And I run a paid training program for ServiceMax and FSL as well. And hope this video was fruitful to everyone actually. Thank you.